What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different on the channel. Now, normally you guys know we either build PCs, review PC cases, do setup stuff, do RGB stuff, but recently we've been adding more keyboard videos onto our channel, and that's more so because I love keyboard. It's a hobby that I've currently been in for the past 3 years, I think. So I've been buying a lot of custom artisan keycaps like you can see here. I have lots of keyboards in the background and in drawers and hidden away. But one thing in particular, one company in particular actually, that I buy a lot of my stuff from is Dwarf Factory. Now, if you don't know what Dwarf Factory is, they are a custom artisan keycap company that you can find on Instagram. Today, I have a box of goodies from them that they sent over of new products that they are testing out. Now, they typically only do custom artisan keycaps, but they have been reaching into the new genre of doing custom artisan figures, I guess you would say, to tie along with the theme of their artisan keycaps. Now, there is one figure that I have that they actually, I think it was the first figure they designed, and I have it here. It's probably one of my favorite figures that I own, but it is a dragon on top of a cliff. So this is what that figure looks like. Super cool. It kind of gives me Game of Thrones vibes. Not only did they make this dragon figure, they also made a custom keycap that matched the figure. So yeah, here is that custom keycap. As you can see, it's got that custom dragon. It's kind of like that blue pink theme. But honestly, really cool to have a matching figure to your custom artisan keycap. So the box that I have here today is kind of something similar, but on a much bigger scale. Now, it's not a dragon theme. It's more of a futuristic whale theme, if that makes sense. So what we have here is the McWhale figure. Now, what's different about this figure compared to the other one that I just showed you, not only is it a custom artisan figure, it is a actual light that you can plug into the wall or plug into a USB port and turns on, and you can change it all different kinds of colors on your phone, which I'll show you later in the video. But let's go ahead, unbox, and see what we got inside. So right away, we've got a lot of goodies in this box. Typically, when you order a artisan keycap from Dwarf Factory, you get it in a small little tiny one. So all of these boxes, this is new to me. So let's go ahead and open this one first. This is the McWhale keycap itself. Now wait until you see this. So this is like a normal keycap. You know, it's got the end, the stem, and everything on it. But this one is a super size. Look at that. Look how massive this is. So this is where it gets cool. Not only is it a full-size keycap, but when you flip it around on this side, you have this amazing custom art that they have done in the resin that's like a whale, and then it's got a couple people waving at the whale. Let me see if I can give you a better look over here. Look at the amount of detail inside of that resin. Absolutely insane. I'll make sure to throw some other clips up there so you can get a closer look. But let's move on to the next product inside the box. So this was the top of the keycap, and then the box that I have right here, this is the bottom half in which the keycap sits on top of. So when you first take it out of the box, it looks like this spider creature. I know it looks really interesting. Let me give you guys a closer look of that. So this is the light right here. The power adapter is right in the back, and you have this little reset button. So initially, what you do is you put it on the ground, and then you grab your artisan keycap and you plop it right on there like that. And you've got this really cool artisan keycap figure that honestly, words cannot describe how interesting this thing looks. How cool is that light? Honestly, probably one of the coolest figures that I've added to my collection that I will forever love. But let's move on to the last two products inside of the box. This is the artisan keycap that matches the figure itself. So let's go ahead and unbox those now. So this is the bottom of the keycap, just like the bigger version. And then we're gonna have the other keycap to sit right on top of it. So this is the custom keycap that you get. It looks exactly like the bigger version of it, just a lot smaller. And it sits right on top, just like the other one. and you can display it in your artisan keycap. So you have the big brother right here, and then you have the little guy right here. I'll also throw up some B-roll shots for this one as well, so you can get a closer look at what that looks like. So I think that's about it for the video today. It was just a quick unboxing of this really cool figure that I thought a lot of people would be interested in. It's definitely one of the things that I love sharing, and I wanted to share more of the stuff that I collect on the channel. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will catch you in the next one.